This is the Eldest Reaver 196. This is the gas box, which is on the left hand side of the van. Okay, you've got two locks on this van. 1, 2. Okay, and you're going to use the small key. Put that in. Then turn it to the 12 o'clock position, and then you actually press in there. You've got to press both sides. I did press it before the video. Okay, and then inside we've got to use the orange gas for this one, and it's this type of connector, and all they basically do that you would screw that in to the gas, which has got a reverse thread, and we've got two you actually have two gas bottles in this particular van, and these are held on by the little straps on there. There's nothing else really on here that you need to worry about. This is a regulator. There's no switch or anything else on this. That little attachment there is just for testing for the engineers. That's it, pretty straightforward. What you do have to do when you are using gas is make sure that you've got to switch the gas off before you're driving. You don't want to drive with the gas switched on. Okay.